two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, this arrived and it's something that I didn't think I'd be ordering, but after taking my drone out, it's this one, the DJI Mavic Air, which is great by the way. I didn't realise up until recently quite how loud it was and how much attraction it gets from others, especially in the UK where they don't see them too much. So these are standard props on it, and it makes it sound like, I don't know, a bee or something, a swarm of bees when it's going around. We'll get this in the sky very soon just to show you what that's like and give you the noise. But what I've done is I've ordered these new stealth props and some toothbrush bits. But anyway, onto it. So these are the new Master Airscrew Stealth upgrade propellers. They're supposed to take the noise down somewhat, make it not so, or a lower tone anyway, so it's not quite so intrusive. So I'm going to try these out now, and I'm going to download an app from the App Store which will take the noise reading from it, and I'll show you exactly what it gives. But these are the ones that I have, and let's see what they should do. I mean, they should come off easily. Let's see. I don't know how to quite take these off. That way. Ah, there you go. That's how they come off. Very simple. And I'll stick the other ones on. These are black ones. You can't in the UK get any other ones. Oh, comes with a nice little pouch. And some instructions. A Master Airscrew sticker. Quite sure where that's going to go, but if I take one of these out so you can see the difference. There's not really much difference. One is shiny and one is not. So that's the difference with them. Obviously there's not that much difference. That's probably a good thing, but it definitely seems to have more of an angle on it. So I guess that's part of what changes the noise on it. But anyway, let's get these outside, get this drone up and see what the difference is. Alright, so I just realised actually I do need to change some settings in the DJI app on my phone. It asked me to go into the main menu, the main controller settings, advanced settings, gain, and adjust the values in here, and it tells you exactly the values that you need to have as well. So in case you haven't seen it, these are the settings that you're going to need to do. Okay, so in summary, these are the version 2 Master Airscrews. I gotta say, disappointed, unfortunately. They definitely have a different pitch, a different tone, which seems a little bit lower, but they're still noisy. You know, ultimately, it's a noisy drone, and if you're in a smallish area or build-up area, it's either I'm getting too old and I'm getting to the point where I think I'm a bit loud and attracting too much attention and this is a problem, or the product's getting noisier and noisier, and as good as these are, you know, they've got to the stage where they're just not doing what I think they should be doing, or, you know, there's no way around it, it's just a noisy product. So that's it for this time. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like and subscribe. Hopefully I'll get some more videos up sometime soon. and catch you soon. Bye.